seek as I go. I've left everybody, and I've made it to what I consider to be the promised land. Look at this. This is what's up. I got vines behind me. It's so legit. And I even got a perfect setup for Bro Talks. Here we go. This is Bro Talk episode 20. I'm winning. And we got this in the bag. Hell, people be walking past, but don't mean nothing. As long as Cam and them don't find me. Yo, employees walking past, and they just don't even care. We got this, boys. Later, bitch. Later, bitch. Later. Yo, McCoy's an idiot. I just don't got it. It's not in the bag, boys. First one. God, it's already over. Yo, Rager, apparently a rat ran out there. I was trying to find it, but I couldn't.
I'm dead serious.
I've been unleashed. The beast is out of his cage. I'm on the move, and I'm gonna put my money that I'm gonna get Rager or Riley first. I think one of those guys have the worst hiding spot. That's what I think. So we'll keep you updated. Don't worry about it.
Tyler, did you find your...
We lost the people now. This is really not comfortable.
It's not very comfortable. Christian's gonna start coming. You gotta go.
To where?
Easy dubs. First two down. Two at one time. How do you feel about that? How do you feel about the win?
Well, I kind of saw you like walking at yourself with Chloe.
He was like, you're right there. Dude, I saw you in the mirror. I was like, bruh.
I found you. Why do you have a monkey on?
Brad, no one's over here.
Darn.
Where do the weeds go? Monkey noise.
No.
Monkey noise.
Make
Monkey noise. So me, McCoy, and Riley are currently trying to find Cameron and Christian, and it's just not going too easy right now. So yeah, I'll pick up once we find them. Howdy, y'all. Hey, Baker.
I wasn't found first.
Who was found first? McCoy?
Yeah, McCoy's definitely found first.
I recorded some. Bro, chicken kitchen.
Look, we're...
And then that. Alright, so I meant to try to find everybody, and I totally just heard them. Oh. That's two. Oh, that's three. That's three. Okay, that's nice. Alright, that's first three down. Two more to go.
Three friends, it's us. We're the three friends, it's us. Yo, guys, this is actually us. Is that a real apple? I had this plastic. Plastic, that bitch plastic.
She can't help thinking about dangerous little things a bit. Things like strange sounds and dark and monster. You know what?
It's over. It's over. Yo, is this clipception?
Is this clipception?
Oh my god.
What is this?
What's going on?
What is it?
Oh my god.
Those cushions are these
My pencil. McCoy, hit me with the monkey noise. Yeah, McCoy, you all.
Your boy is looking like a snack right now. Damn, okay.
This is the new desk setup. This is the chair. Yo, wait. Yo, where you go?
What happened? I shit on that.
Yo, it's just another day with the bros, to be honest with you. We all just chilling in the bathroom.
Okay, you know what? It was okay when you were in the shower, but now it's getting kind of hot back here.
You like
kinda
in the shower,
moist.
don't you?
Like you're in the shower, you make your shit, bro. People's walking by.
Oh.
So,